getting a loan, don't know where to start, don't know what documents you even need to have, right? So here's a list of the top documents you'll need. There's also a link below for a list of them as well, and a free home buyer guide. You generally need your identification, right? State issued passport. Social security card may be required, so get that too. Then you also need your income document. So if you are self-employed, that's your tax returns and or your bank statements. And if you're a wage earner, then that could be your W-2s. That might also be your 1099s, right? You will need your asset documents. So bank statements to show where the money's coming from for your closing costs and if there's a down payment that's required. And your retirement statement if you're taking money from retirement or you need money for reserve. The other thing to keep in mind is if you already own property, please be prepared to send this information. A mortgage statement. I would also recommend that regardless of whether or not you escrow, that you include the tax statement and you include the insurance statement in addition to the mortgage statement. Because oftentimes we have to fact check some things that are on those other documents. Might as well supply it in the beginning. For those of you who are applying for self-employed documents, I have another video for that.